In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Namecheap live chat support if you ever run into an issue with your domain, hosting, or billing and need quick help. Their live chat is often the fastest way to talk to a real support agent. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple so that even if you're new to Namecheap, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Namecheap website by typing their main address into the address bar and hitting enter. Give the page a moment to load and you'll land on the home page. You don't need to log in yet just to find the live chat option, so you can stay on this main page for now. Once you're on the home page, look for the Contact Us link. This is usually placed either at the top or at the bottom of the site. Depending on your screen size or device, you might see it in the header area near other navigation links or down in the footer section with links like support, help center, and legal information. If you're on a smaller screen, such as a phone or tablet, you may need to tap a menu icon first to reveal more options. Take a moment to scan the page, and when you see Contact Us, click it. Clicking Contact Us will either open a dedicated contact page or take you to a help or support area. Here, Namecheap typically lists several ways to get assistance, such as guides, support tickets, and live chat. Your goal is to find and select the live chat option. This may appear as a button labeled live chat or as a link within a list of support methods. On some layouts, you might see a small chat icon or bubble at the bottom corner of the page. That can also be the live chat entry point. Go ahead and click the live chat option. When you do, a chat window or panel should open, either as a pop-up or on a new page. You may be asked to provide a few basic details before starting the chat, such as your name, the email address associated with your account, and a brief description of what you need help with. Filling this out clearly helps the support team understand your issue faster and route you to the right department. After you submit that information, wait a moment while the system connects you to an available support agent. Once connected, you can type your questions or describe the problem you're having. Try to be specific, mention any error messages you see, and include relevant details like domain names or order IDs, but avoid sharing sensitive information such as full passwords or payment details in the chat. That's all there is to it. By visiting the Namecheap website, finding the Contact Us link, and selecting the live chat option, you can quickly reach their support team and get real-time help whenever you need it.